Alright, DGens, I'm going to be showing you how to become an absolute monster at MidJourney using this new free prompt tool in under 3 minutes. You guys have been making the worst art I have ever seen in my life. Like, what even is this? I mean, dude, just look at some of the stuff that you guys are generating. Is that supposed to be a sock puppet? Like, what the f is that? MidJourney only gives you a certain amount of free credits, so I'm going to help you out a lot here. The prompt tool is called prompt.noonshot.com. You enter in your prompt here, and you can change your style settings here. So let's just take a prompt that one of you noobs created. And listen, it doesn't look terrible, but we're about to make this a lot better. So I'm going to drop this prompt in here. And first we're going to figure out styles. So we're going to click styles and let's go with cyberpunk because this was a cyberpunk theme. Let's also change the lighting a little bit. Glow stick sounds pretty dope. And we're going to enhance the quality a little bit. It'll drop down here. We'll go more detailed. And you can see we have all these expressions in our prompt. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste our prompt and wait for this to load. Dude, look at what these noobs are making right now. What the fuck is this? All right, and the new dog just generated. Look how much better that is from before. You guys also need to make your prompts way more descriptive because I see you guys putting in like maybe one sentence and it turns out so generic and it's not even cool. You're just wasting credits. So we're gonna add a few more descriptive words. This time our style will go with photorealistic, maybe add some nuclear waste glow, and maybe we'll give it a touch from a well-known artist. We're gonna copy this shit, head back over to MidJourney, paste that shit in there, and this is what we get. So it's not bad. I think we need to add some negatives. And in order to do that, you go back to the tool. Down here, you'll see, do you want to exclude or avoid certain items? We want to avoid side profile. We'll add a couple more keywords, copy, and now we have something that looks a lot better. So this is really nice. We'll click V4 and we get some options that look fucking dope. I also re-rolled that again to see if we can get some more options, and these are also way better. So here's the before and after, and as you can see, much more detail, and it honestly looks way better. But art is subjective to every individual's perspective. Personally, I think it looks way better, and I think you guys will get a lot of use out of this tool, so there you go. If you guys want to learn about more AI tools and different resources that will help you with this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. I just created this channel, so it would mean a lot to me. My last video, I gave you guys 3 different AI voice generators, and I actually tried to recreate the Andrew Tate leaked audio files, and it was crazy how good this stuff is getting. That's the ZK review. I have nothing to sell you but knowledge.